Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking to transfer money from Western Union to PayPal. While there's no direct option, you can do it easily using an intermediate bank account or debit card. Here's how. Step 1. Open the Western Union app or website and log into your account. Next, go to Send Money option, enter the recipient's name and choose their linked bank account as the delivery method. Choose how would like to pay via card, bank transfer or cash. Confirm the details and complete the transfer to the recipient's bank account. Step 2. Log into your PayPal account and link the same bank account where the Western Union funds were deposited. Once the funds are in your bank account, transfer them to your PayPal wallet. Go to Add Money and select the linked bank account. After confirming the transaction, your money will appear in your PayPal balance within a few business days. And that's it. While indirect, this method lets you transfer money from Western Union to PayPal securely. Thanks for watching.